based on the number of the passenger, nagbabago po yan. Kung ilan po yung passenger, so doon po bumabagsak yung total cost ng airfare, service charge, and fees. So baka nagtataka kayo, nakikita nyo na numbers na to sa baba, no? Kung saan galing, no? So basically, ang tatandaan nyo lang, the company that we are work with, no? Yung company na affiliate namin sa finance is they're giving 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50% down payment po, no? So, depende sa halaga or amount ng inyong bumagsak na airfare ticket, yun po ang ibibigay nyong down payment. Ang kagandahan nito, not like the other finance assistance namin before na Aprip, no? Malaki yung interest niya, halos 30 to 40% yung tubo, no, after 24 months of payment. Dito sa Travel Pay finance program namin is they only give like 6 months or 26 weeks to pay. It